Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 17-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. We've got a black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, a clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a Linden wood trim, heated seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders. We've got our buttons for our infotainment centers, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 33,556 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.